Hi, I'm here to explain what cloning is. Our cloning service is when you take the data from your instrument cluster and write it onto the replacement. That way when you get it, you just install it. We call it plug and play. Two examples. This is a 2002-2004 F-150. Fords in those years have the PAT system, and if you just took this, even if the mileage was programmed correctly, everything's exact, if you stuck this in your car or your truck, it wouldn't start. It'd be a security lock and it just wouldn't start. So what we do is you send us your original, we extract the information from the original, we write it onto the replacement. When you get it, you stick it in, that's it. The PATS is right, the VIN is right, the mileage, everything's correct, even down to your last oil change mileage, it's all there. Another example is Volkswagen, especially in the later years. These almost always need cloned. They have immobilizer data stored in the cluster, and these are more difficult than most because a lot of the stuff is encrypted, and we have to remove the processor and the chips from the board, unsolder them from your original, and solder them onto the replacement. If you just got this and stuck this in your car, it might light up, but it's going to show no key because it doesn't recognize the key, and your car won't start. This is really the only way of making sure you do it correctly. Some people do it even if they don't need to do it. That way all the data is there, the VIN is correct. One way to confirm you need it cloned is take your cluster out, make sure it's unplugged, try to start the car or truck. If it starts, you most likely do not need that cluster cloned. If it doesn't start, you almost always need that cluster cloned. And this is a quick explanation of what cloning is.